Dear students, welcome to my channel Do Maths Perfect. In our channel, we are doing science also, structure of an atom. So it is very important to learn structure of an atom, then only we can understand the valency, formula and everything. So atoms and molecules are the fundamental building blocks of matter. Matter consists of atoms and molecules only. Particularly atoms consist of subatomic particles. Every atom consists of subatomic particles such as electrons, symbol E, protons, symbol P, and neutrons, symbol N. So, subatomic particles of an atom are electron, proton, neutron. Their symbols are E, P, and N. Mass. Actually, very less mass for electron, that is 1 over 1840 units. It is nothing but 0, equal to 0. But proton and neutrons are nearly equal to 1. Therefore, proton mass is 1 u and neutron mass is 1 u. That means they are represented with units. So 1 u and 1u. Charge of the subatomic particles. Electron charge is negative, that is negative -1. Proton charge is +1. There is no charge for neutron. Discovered by electron discovered by J.J. Thomson, proton discovered by Goldstein, and neutron discovered by Chadwick. We should know that atoms of all elements except hydrogen contains neutrons. That means hydrogen having only protons in the nucleus. There is no neutrons. Other elements are having both protons and neutrons in the nucleus. Rutherford's model of an atom. He explained the model of an atom. Rutherford is known as father of nuclear physics. He discovered nucleus of an atom. Observe this. This is the nucleus of an atom. These are the layer shells, we call it as first shell, second shell, third shell, and fourth shell. About this Bohr model of an atom. Bohr explained about the structure of an atom clearly. Central part is called as nucleus. It is having both protons and neutrons. Electrons revolving around the nucleus in first shell, that we call it as K shell. That is n equal to 1. N means first shell, number of shells 1. Second shell, this is second shell. It is represented by n equal to 2. We call it as L shell. Third shell, this is third shell. We call it as M shell, that is n equal to 3. And this is fourth shell, that is represented by N shell, n equal to 4. So not only 4, some more shells also there. In this way, all atoms according to their number of electrons, they are distributed in K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell, O shell, etc. etc. there. So we will learn more next. According to Niels Bohr's structure, electrons revolve in circular orbits. While revolving electrons do not radiate energy. The orbit of electrons are called energy levels. Those we have written in circular form, they are called as orbits. KLMN, those they are also called as energy levels. Energy levels are represented by the letters K, L, M, N, etc. First shell, that is n equal to 1, called as K shell. Second shell, n equal to 2, called as L shell, and so on. We are already explained how electrons are distributed in an atom. Rules are followed for filling the electrons. There are maximum number of electrons present in a given shell is given by formula 2n square. This is the formula we are using to find only maximum number of electrons, not actual number, only maximum number of electrons that can accommodate can be calculated by using this formula 2n square. For example, K shell, that is the first shell, n equal to 1, maximum electrons, that is 2n square, where n equal to 1, therefore 2 into 1 whole square, 1 whole square is 1, 1 into 2, 2. Second shell, that is L shell, n equal to 2, maximum electrons that it can accommodate, that second shell or energy level accommodate 2n square equal to 2 into n equal to 2, so 2 into 2 whole square, that is 4 into 2, 8. So second shell, that is L shell, can accommodate maximum number of 8 electrons in an atom. Come to this M shell. This is third shell. Maximum electrons we can calculate 2n square, 2 into n means 3 square. So 3 square is 9. 2 into 9, that is equal to 18. So all electrons, all elements can accommodate 18 electrons in the third shell, that is third energy level. That all maximum only. Maximum electrons that an outermost shell can accommodate is 8 only. So this is another important point we should remember. For example, this M shell, that is third shell, can accommodate 18, but if this third shell is the outermost shell, then it is accommodate only 8 electrons, not 18. If there are fourth shell in the element, then only third shell can accommodate 18. That fourth shell, maximum electrons can accommodate only 8.